Hello everyone. Hope all of you are fine and studying. Now in last videos I discussed small parts of fundamentals of partnership, that is making profit and loss appropriation account. Now in this video I will solve a sum. So in this sum you can see the partners A and B decided to appropriate profits of the firm on the following terms. Now terms are given. Interest is payable on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. A and B will get remuneration of rupees 2000 and 1000 per month respectively. A gave loan of rupees 20,000 to the firm on 1st July 1997. So he will get interest on loan at the rate of 6% per annum. Interest on drawing is also charged at the rate of 4% per annum, and drawings of A and B are given rupees 6,000 and rupees 4,000 respectively, and they share profit in the ratio of 3:2. The net profit of the firm before all these adjustments were rupees 70,000, and the capital account balances on first day of the year was rupees 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. Now you are required to make profit and loss appropriation account and capital accounts. In this sum I am not making journal entries, only making profit and loss appropriation account and capital accounts. Now at first we have to make some working notes, since I discussed in last video also that if loan is given by any partner to the firm, interest on that loan is charged to profit and loss account and not profit and loss appropriation account, since it is an expense to the firm and not appropriation of profits. So you have to arrive at the correct figure of net profit before you start profit and loss appropriation account. So at first, net profit before interest on loan is given 70,000, and you will subtract the amount of interest on loan. In interest on loan is given at the rate of 6% per annum, and the loan given by A was rupees 20,000. So 20,000 into 6, so only 6 months interest will be charged. So by calculating all this you will get 600. So the profit which will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account will be 69,400. This is working note 1. One more working note you have to make, that is interest on drawings. Now interest on drawing is given at the rate of 4%, but here since no information about the time of drawing is given and it is only given, so on an average only 6 months interest will be paid to the partner. So in case of A it will be 6,000 into 4 by 100 into 6 by 12, and it will come to rupees 120. In case of B, he had drawn rupees 4,000, so 4,000 into 4 by 100 into 6 by 12. So by calculating all this you will get rupees 80. Now one thing you have to write the assumption. So it was assumed that drawings were made in the middle of the year. So why only 6 months interest were charged on an average. Now we will make profit and loss appropriation account. So at first item given, to interest on capital. So you will write to interest on capital. Interest on capital is calculated on opening capital. So in case of A, it will be 5% of rupees 50,000, which was the capital provided by A. So by calculating, you will get 2,500. Now in case of B, it will be 5% of rupees 40,000, which will come to 2,000. So the total amount of interest on capital will be 4,500. Then comes remuneration to the partners. You will write two partner salary for this. So in case of A, it is rupees 2,000 per month. So the total annual salary will be rupees 2,000 into 12. And in case of B, it will be rupees 1,000 into 12. So in case of A, it will be rupees 24,000. In case of B, it will be rupees 12,000. So the total will be 36,000. You will write all this in outer column. Now let's come to credit side and first transfer the balance of net profit to the credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. So you will write by profit and loss account net profit, and for reference you will give working note number 1. So the adjusted profit was 69,000. You will write that. Then comes interest on drawings. Interest on drawings we have already 2. So in case of A, it was 120. In case of B, it was 80. So the total will be 200. Now all the items are complete. So you have to balance and get the profit, which is transferred to the capital account of partners. So the balance is coming 29,100. So that is the share of profit remaining to be transferred to the capital account. Now you will transfer it to partners capital account. Now seeing the profit sharing ratio, you have to transfer this total profit to respective partners capital account. So A and B were sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. You must have made this share already. So 29,100 into 3 by 5, and this way you will get share of profit to be transferred to A's capital account. In case of B, it will be 29,000, and in case of B, it will be 11,640 rupees. Now, second thing you are required to make is partner's capital account. Buy balance BD, that is opening capital of the partners. So opening capital is given 50,000 and 40,000 respectively for A and B. Then you can write the share we have already calculated in PL appropriation account, and that is 17,460 in case of A, in case of B it is 11,640. Now in credit side, what in case of partner salary, it is 24,000 for A and 12,000 for B, already calculated. Now drawings is not entered in profit and loss appropriation account in fluctuating capital method. In fixed capital method, it is entered in current account. That those sums I will show you later. So two drawings, 6,000 and 4,000, and interest on drawing. You just have to balance this amount. By balancing off, you will get 87,840 for B's capital closing balance. So in this way, you will get the partners closing capital balances